Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James of TheChartGuys. It is Thursday, March 9th, and I'm going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So as you know, in the TheChartGuys community, we played oil off the bottom here, and the reason why was because the daily RSI was so oversold here. And if you go back to last February, when the bounce started, we could see that it was based on this oversold RSI being so oversold. And we haven't had an oversold RSI like that since then, and so because of that, we took a bullish position, and along the way there have been great confirmations to stay in the trade. The first one being we broke the high of the previous bounce attempt here, which was 2.813. Once we broke that here, that was confirmation. The second confirmation was this daily TCG bull cross where the 4 EMA crossed above the 8 EMA. Next, I said that NATGAS was rejecting off the 20 EMA and to take profits, which was a good call on the gap up. It filled the gap, and it was in no man's land between the 20 EMA daily and the 8 EMA daily. And I said whichever one breaks, I would play it, continue in that direction. Yesterday, we had a break of the 20 EMA and regained it as support. So the daily chart was really set up nicely for a bull reaction to inventory reports today on NATGAS, which we had, and continuing upwards. So we fill the gap now of 2.946, and we close above the gap finally on the daily, where these candles rejected on the daily here and closed below the gap fill. And so the next resistance we have is 2.993, and right now we're at 2.992. So that's the next resistance we are going to have to face here. On the unadjusted natural gas charts, This is without the adjusted for the contract price action from rollovers for monthly contract changes. So we had this resistance at the 200 MA here, and you saw it reject here, reject here, reject here, and getting above that is again some more bullish indicators that NATGAS is going to continue. And again, last February when we had this beautiful bounce starting here off oversold RSI, we could see one of those bounces again here. And on the weekly chart, we are going to come up and looks like test the, let me zoom out a little bit, that's a little bit too close. Test the 8 EMA here. If we get above the 8 EMA, likely to get another TCG bull cross, which would further confirm that NATGAS is continuing upwards, and then look for a weekly close above this 20 EMA, which continues to strengthen this NATGAS bounce. So there could be a lot of more upside based on what we saw from last year in NATGAS. Now on the hourly charts for NATGAS for tomorrow, what you want to do is you can day trade based on the direction. So obviously the daily is bullish, so the hourly you want to look for a bullish entry. So how you would do that is, as long as there's an hourly TCG bull cross and it's above the 20 MA, then you can enter NATGAS long. And then on any consolidation here, where, for example, consolidation would be like, let me zoom in. Consolidation on the hourly would be like here, where it pulled back, got a TCG bear cross, dropped under the 20 MA, and then your bull entry would be the hourly TCG bull cross here and closing back above the 20 MA. So those are things to scout for tomorrow. If you see any type of NATGAS pullback, again, the daily trend is very bullish right now off that oversold RSI with a lot of confirmations here. And I'm liking the NATGAS play to continue on based on the daily chart. So look for the hourly to be in your favor for any trades. The daily's telling me that the swing trade's still good to go on NATGAS. So have a good night, And I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me just point out any red flags. If you are in a swing trade, I would get out if the hourly were to cross bearish here and lose a 20 MA, and re-enter the swing trade on the hourly bull cross. Okay, have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow.